How to open a checking account with Bank of America online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open a checking account with Bank of America online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for open a checking account with Bank of America. After you do that, you'll find this option that says Bank of America and stuff like that. So here you can see Bank of America Advantage Banking, open a checking account. So you can open that link up and right here you should see this website. So you can now open up your account from here. So you can see the different types of accounts. You can see if it's self-balance, plus banking, relationship banking and stuff like that. So you can select whichever you want. So let's head over to the other website as well, the first one. And this is just a basic bank account. So from here, you can open whichever you want. So you can tap on this Advantage Banking account, CD account, and IRAs. So there are different options. So let's head back here and choose the simple one. Let's choose the simple one. And then you can now choose begin application and then start with your form. Now, if you already do have an account of Bank of America, you can simply log in to pre-fill all of this. If you don't, you can just go through with this form application and give your personal information, contact information, employment. If you have any co-applicants, you can give that information as well. And finally, you can finish it up by viewing it. And after you review it, you can then submit it. And that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.